The National Portrait Gallery holds the most extensive collection of portraits in the world. Over 215,000 works, 150,000 of which are illustrated from the 16th century to the present. Oh, I love this place and have been looking forward to visit it again. Looking into the faces of these people, we all know stories of its fascinating hidden treasures, incredible artwork, fascinating art. Highly recommended. One of the loveliest museums in London. I thoroughly enjoyed my time. It was refreshing to enter into a free museum for a traveler looking for culture. The outside of the museum, walking through Trafalgar Square, is an amazing experience on its own. Here are some of the beautiful and diverse array of portraits in display. The National Portrait Gallery is a lovely museum to stroll around for a few hours. They have a broad collection of art, beautiful things from all over the world. Personally, I really like all the paintings. Besides the art, the historical building of the museum is really impressive as well. A wonderful museum heralding portraits of Great Britain's past and present kings, queens, prime ministers, and cabinet members. This place showcases portraits within over 800 years period. It is such a pleasure to visit the gallery where you can see original paintings of great monarchs, including the amazing pictures of Queen Elizabeth II. Thoroughly enjoyed my visit and was surprised by some of the more iconic portraits I found here. Indeed, this is a place to see the art, to feel the atmosphere of the times long past by, including the modern times.